Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Triton GLS dual cab beaut, stock reference number 5504. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2015 through to the 10th month 2018. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door has no damage, left rear door has 2 small dents, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Both right hand doors and guard appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, climate control type, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.